Hey, welcome, I'm so glad to see you here. This is an FPV VR headset which happens to be among the cheapest on the market right now. You miss the good old analog TV? This is the product of interest this time. It's made by GoolRC and happens to be the most affordable VR headset you can buy right now. I'm going to pair it together with a transmitter, a receiver, a drone and a camera which supports FPV. What kind of config we could achieve and what the quality is going to be, let's find out. Let's first unbox this item. The package of the GoolRC HD01 is relatively big. Here is some information about the channels supported. Depending on the model of the FPV receiver you choose, which is integrated with this headset, you may get more or less than these. Inside we have the goggles lying. The design looks ergonomic and overall build quality and materials used are okay. Keep in mind that these FPV goggles cost twice less than models with similar functions, so I won't be too picky about design, lack of integrated battery or button placement. Inside the box we find some cables and the two analog antennas. If I have to prioritize what is most important about such a device, I'd choose the comfort at the first place. The thick foam layer assures it will fit almost everyone's face and will comfortably stay there for a long time. There were no cracks where the light was coming in, at least when I was using them, and it feels like you can easily carry them for an hour without feeling any discomfort. Here's what I find good. Wide range of power feed supported, from 2-cell to 5-cell batteries. There's a built-in 5.8G receiver, convenient, adjustable head strap, one-click button operations, a relatively big 4.3-inch display, and the two antennas which we already mentioned. As for negatives, there's a lack of embedded battery, the screen resolution is not that great, and I have some remarks about the design. But for the price you pay, this VR headset may be well beyond your expectations. Even if you try to build a cheap non-VR setup using just a receiver, a display of that size and a battery, you're likely going to pay more. I had the chance to make a few flights with the Buck 6 drone by MJX. Because I have the basic version without FPV, I used the Firefly Q6 camera with the mini USB FPV cable and an extra battery to supply the 5.8G transmitter. It was quite fun, and the best outcome is that besides getting real-time FPV transmission that is perfect for learning to fly, you record the footage at maximum quality. As a summary, this is indeed a wonderful FPV goggle set. If you're making your first steps in the FPV works, I'll certainly recommend it. It may also be a good choice for experienced users that are on a budget or would like to get a modest, just-in-case device. A big thanks to rcmoment.com for giving me this item for test. If you're interested in getting yours, there's a link with a discount code in the description below. If you liked the item or the video, you know where to find the like button. Clicking the subscribe would be great honor for me and motivates me even more to bring you better and more entertaining videos. See you soon!